Alright, so next we'll have a look at the organic keywords. So this is really interesting. It's a really quick way to sort of see how powerful your website is and what sort of keywords you're ranking for. So we're using again fallonsolutions.com.au. We can see that their highest referring keyword is their brand name, so Fallon Solutions. It has a volume of 1500. The KD is the keyword difficulty. So Ahrefs, this is a Ahrefs metric. They're saying that the difficulty is 0. That's probably because there aren't too many people trying to rank for Fallon Solutions, and that would be pretty accurate. It's got the cost per click, how much traffic it thinks is actually coming through based on your position, and this might be dependent on whether there's ads and that kind of stuff. So here you also got the position and what URLs rate ranking in it, and when it was updated. So there's a bunch of useful info there. So next you can see that their second most referring is Hot Water Systems Brisbane. It's got a volume of 900, again their position 1. So you can just do pretty quick keyword research around what is the most important keywords that are referring, and also some potentials, right? So you come in here, you see air conditioning service. All right, cool, we're number 2. What would happen if we got that up to number 1? So it's got almost 2,500 search volume a month. Pushing that up to number 1 is going to push us all the way up near here. So this would be a valuable one to push up to rank 2. And same with air conditioning Brisbane, has 2,200 volume. Again, you can start to see these possible windows of keywords that you could target. So again, ducted air conditioning Brisbane, 900 search, rank 5. We could push this up. Excellent. So this is a very quick way to do some keyword research. You can export all this, sort it by position, so between position 2 and 5. So these are some potential keywords that you could rank for, and then you can just have a look at these, see if you can do some on-site optimization to actually focus more around these keywords. That's all for this part of the Ahrefs walkthrough. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check back soon for the next part.